Hi guys, and welcome to Historically. For today's video, we'll be exploring a topic that has always piqued people's interest: celebrity mugshots. From Hollywood stars to musicians and sports icons, we'll take a closer look at some of the most infamous celebrity mugshots in history. We'll delve into the stories behind these arrests and the fallout that followed. So sit back and join us as we take a glimpse into the darker side of fame and fortune. Elvis Presley's mugshot was taken in 1956 after he was arrested for a minor traffic violation. The incident occurred in Memphis, Tennessee, where Presley was being pulled over for speeding while driving a pink Cadillac. The photograph, which shows a smirking Presley in a plaid shirt, became iconic and often used as a symbol of his rebellious image. Despite its popularity, the mugshot was a source of embarrassment for Presley, who reportedly kept a copy of it in his wallet as a reminder for his mistakes. Marilyn Monroe's mugshot was taken on July 9, 1953, in Beverly Hills, California, after she was arrested for driving under the influence. At the time, Monroe was shooting the film Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, and she was driving her friend, actor Sidney Skolsky. Monroe was stopped by the police for driving too slowly and erratically. She failed a sobriety test. She was taken into the police station where her mugshot was taken. The arrest was a minor setback in Monroe's career, and she continued to rise to fame in the year that followed. The famous mugshot is now an iconic image of Monroe's beauty and star power. It became a symbol of Hollywood glamour and scandal. Frank Sinatra's mugshot was taken on November 26, 1938, when he was just 23 years old. He was arrested in Bergen County, New Jersey, on charges of seduction and adultery after a woman named Antoinette de la Penta accused him of having an affair while she was married. The charges were eventually dropped, but the arrest and the subsequent publicity caused a scandal damage in Sinatra's reputation. The mugshot itself became iconic and is often used in popular culture to represent the singer's rebellious image. Johnny Cash was arrested 7 times throughout his life, and each time his mugshot captured a different side of the legendary musician. His most famous arrest took place in El Paso, Texas in 1965, when he was caught smuggling amphetamines and sedatives across the Mexican border. The mugshot from this arrest shows a defiant, determined Cash staring straight into the camera with his trademark piercing gaze. Cash would later reflect on his struggles with addiction and the impact it had on his life and career. But he remained a beloved icon of American music until his death in 2003. David Bowie's mugshot is a result of his arrest in Rochester, New York in March 1976. Bowie was in Rochester as part of his Station to Station tour and had a day off, during which he allegedly got into a physical altercation with his friend and tour collaborator, musician Peter Frampton, over comments Bowie had made about Frampton's girlfriend. Frampton declined to press charges, but police arrested Bowie on suspicion of marijuana possession. He was held briefly in jail before posting bail, and the mugshot was taken at this time. It's a famous image of the musician. Bowie later referred to the arrest as the most ineptly staged piece of theater he's ever had the misfortune to be involved in. In 1967, Mick Jagger, lead singer of the Rolling Stones, was arrested and charged with drug possession after police raided his London home. Jagger and his then-girlfriend Marianne Faithfull were taken into custody, and the police found various drugs, including amphetamines and cannabis. Jagger was eventually released on bail, and the case went to trial the following year. He was found guilty and sentenced to 3 months in jail, but the verdict was later overturned on appeal. The incident caused controversy and brought attention to the issue of drug use in the music industry. Jagger's mugshot from the arrest has become an iconic image of the era. And that's all we had for today. We hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments who you want to see next.